What's up guys, it's Liam here from TechFed, and it's been a while. I'm just releasing a little update for you as I've not uploaded since June last year. So the reason I stopped making videos was purely because my personal life just got so busy. But I have created a schedule, so hopefully that'll help me put out at least one video per month. I've got lots of videos in store, from unboxing my latest camera, which is what I'm recording on at the moment, to reviewing my car. Now if you haven't seen my car, I will post a link to my Instagram page in the description so you can see it there. I might also throw in a giveaway. I am back and I hope to be more consistent. Whilst I have been away though, I haven't just been sat here doing nothing. I have created a website where I will write written reviews as well as links to my videos. I've also set up a Patreon page, although I'm not too sure how successful that will be, but it's there. I'll link all my social media accounts down below. I'll also put what I have in store, and if you guys can comment and let me know what you want to see next, and I'll put it up. And until next time, see ya. Oh wait, actually, I want to thank you all. Whilst I've been away, I actually reached 100 subscribers, so yeah, thank you guys. Anyway, yeah, see you guys in the next video.